Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is busy rolling out the Project Phoenix visual redesign changes to the desktop version of Microsoft Edge, where they are bringing a more Windows 11 look and feel to the browser. And as I have been posting, they are calling this Project Phoenix. And one of these changes, as mentioned previously, is that they are busy relocating and moving the profile account icon from the top right from the toolbar and relocating that icon to the top left to the so-called title bar, placing that icon alongside the workspaces and the tab actions menu icons. And as many of you will know, if we click on our profile, we get access to managing our account. We can see our sync status. We can access and manage our wallet, and we can do the same with Microsoft Rewards, just to mention some examples. Now, this change, moving the profile to the top left, has already been made available in the preview versions, like it is currently in Edge Canary version 117, which is the latest preview version. Now, as I have mentioned previously regarding Project Phoenix, most of these visual redesign changes have already made their way down into the stable version. And if you want more info regarding Project Phoenix, I'll leave a playlist in the end screen of this video if you'd like to go check that out. Now, one of the last changes that we are expecting to see roll out to the stable version is Microsoft moving this profile account icon to the top left, which for some users has already taken place. But as we can see, if I head over to the stable version of Microsoft Edge, in my region, my profile account icon is still in the top right. So this is on a controlled rollout, and Microsoft is busy moving this icon from the top right to the top left. Now, if you are in a region where the icon has already been moved to the top left in your stable version of Microsoft Edge, which is currently on Edge version 114, then you can actually turn this feature off and move and relocate the profile account icon from the title bar back to the toolbar, where it's always been, moving it from the top left to the top right. And if you'd like to do this, and in case you're unaware, there's actually a setting you can turn on and off to actually enable and disable the relocation of that profile icon. So to get to the setting, we just head to our settings and we navigate to the appearance page and we scroll down just a little bit. And here we'll see all of these settings pertaining to the Project Phoenix visual redesign. And here you'll see the setting, show account icon in the title bar. And if we toggle that off, we'll have to restart the Edge browser to apply that change and that setting. And now you'll see that the profile icon has been moved back and relocated back to its original position to the top right of the toolbar. And maybe you want to make this change because obviously when it's in the top left, it might be interfering with accessing your workspaces or your tab actions menu, just to mention two examples. And now I'm showing you this in Edge Canary, but if we just head back to the stable version, just to put this all into context, if we head to the settings menu in the stable version of Microsoft Edge and we head to the appearance, this is where the setting will be found. It will be under try the new look and feel of Microsoft Edge, which is the Project Phoenix visual redesign. And as mentioned, this feature, show account icon in the title bar, will be available if that feature is available in the stable version, placing that setting just under this as part of the Project Phoenix visual redesign. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention in case for whatever reason you wanted to relocate and move this icon back to its original position. And obviously if you want to put it back to the default, we click on and turn on the setting, we restart the browser, and you'll see once that's restarted, then the profile icon has been returned and moved to now its original position and its default position in the top left in the title bar. And that's more or less one of the last changes, as I've mentioned previously, that is rolling out as part of the Project Phoenix Windows 11 visual redesign changes that Microsoft is bringing to the Edge web browser for desktop. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.